Hi there, welcome to this video. In this video here, we're just going to have a look at navigating around Photoshop. So after you open up Photoshop, you get past the welcome screen. This is the general default settings that you're going to see when you open Photoshop up. Now you have a number of palettes over here. This is what they are called. They're called palettes. Over here, this is called our tool palette, and this is a very important part of using Photoshop. It has all our major tools here that we're going to be using, and very helpful. Up the top here, this is actually called our options bar, and it's something that's very useful for every single tool that we have here. As I click on the different tools, you'll see the options in the option bar actually change. So when I click on the clone stamp tool, I get the options for the clone stamp tool. Click on the eraser or the brush, the eraser brush there, then I get the options for the eraser, and so forth for all the different tools. Down the bottom here, I have my color swatches. The top color here is my foreground color. The color behind it there, the white color there, that's actually my background color. Down here we have our quick mask mode and edit in standard mode options as well. And then we have our different preview screens as well. So we've got full screen mode with our menu bars, and also standard screen mode, and we have our shortcuts as well. Now you'll see as I hover over each of the different tools, I actually have it tells me what the name of the tool is, and also in brackets it tells me what the shortcut for the tool is too. So that's very helpful if you like shortcuts, doing things the quick way. Up the top here we've got our standard menus: file, edit, image, layer, select, filter, view, window, and the help. And there's some great options in all these different menus as well to use in Photoshop. So this is really just a quick overview of what you're going to see when you open Photoshop up, and roughly where you can find things. If for some reason you don't know where certain palettes are, the first place you want to look is under your window menu. This is where they're all hidden. So for example, if you'd like to see your layers palette, or have that come out, you come down here in the window menu, scroll down to layers, and you'll see there the shortcut is F7. And here's our layers palette here. Okay, we have our history palette here, actions palette, color, swatches, styles. So there's some great different palettes that we have there as well. Now if we want to create a new document, we just come to File, select New, then we can select the type of document that we want, whether it be RGB, grayscale, CMYK, and so forth, and the size of the document. We can choose whether it be in pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picas, or in columns. And we can just click on OK, and then we have our document, and we can increase and decrease the size of that. We can maximize it so it's in full screen mode, and so forth. So there's some basics for navigating around Photoshop. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and look forward to seeing you on the next one, where we're going to cover setting your preferences. Have a great day.